You might have already seen my teaser of the DJI Avata 360, but today, we're diving deeper, full specs, real-world performance, and whether it's actually worth it after 3 months of use. I'll cover image quality, what I love, what I don't, and the settings you should change immediately. Plus, some seriously unique features like free mode tracking, 360 playback, and mobile gyro editing. Starting with the design, compared to the older Avata, this one is bigger and heavier at 455 grams, making it a C1 class drone. It now features 4 blade props, slightly reducing noise, but let's be real, it's still loud. You also get built-in prop guards, making it safer for tight Arana shots and indoor-style flying. And thanks to support for traditional controllers, you can fly solo, no spotter needed. Perfect if you're a content creator working alone. Now here's where things get interesting. This drone combines fisheye sensors, lidar, and its 360 cameras to deliver true omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Even flying backwards, it detects and avoids obstacles flawlessly. And in low light, lidar keeps things working even in near darkness. The highlight is the dual 360 camera system. 2 fisheye lenses with large sensors capture up to 8K 360 video at 60 FPS. But remember, your final video depends on how much you crop. Wide shots can look softer, but close-up action? That's where it shines. I've been shooting mostly in D-Log, and once graded, the footage looks natural and cinematic. Dynamic range is solid thanks to dual native ISO, especially in high-contrast scenes like sunsets. Low light performance? Surprisingly good, with usable footage even in near darkness. Now, it's not perfect. I did notice occasional stitching lines in some clips, though recent updates have improved this a lot. And yes, because it's 360, dust or water drops on lenses are way more visible, so always carry a cloth.